Here at Mini Split Warehouse, we offer systems like this ductless heat pump. This unit is 26.5 SEER, 230 volt, rated to -22 degrees. Select options like copper lines and wires, outdoor mounting options, shipping options like a terminal pickup or a lift gate. Each package includes one exclusive indoor wall mounts with remote and Wi-Fi and one outdoor unit. Features like gold-coated coils, base pan heater and refrigerant leak detection. Also includes factory warranty. See the on-page description for specifications. Optional accessories at the bottom of the page.